Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an Ireland short-stay visa invitation letter, also known as a Visa C invitation letter, step by step. If you are inviting a family member, friend or relative to visit Ireland for tourism, family visits, or special occasions, this letter is one of the important supporting documents for their visa application. This letter helps the Irish visa officer understand who is inviting the visitor, the purpose of the visit, where the visitor will stay, who will cover the expenses, and confirmation that the visitor will leave Ireland before their permitted stay expires. So let's go through each part of the letter step by step. Host's information. The first part of the letter is the sender's details. For example, John Murphy. 12 Riverwalk Apartments, Cork City, County Cork, T12XY45, Ireland. Phone +353 87 123 4567. Email johnmurphy@email.com. This section is important because it identifies the person inviting the visitor. It also gives immigration officers your contact details in case they need to verify any information. Date. Since this is an Irish formal letter, the date should be written in day, month, year format. For example, May 1st, 2026. The date is important because it shows when the invitation was issued and confirms that the information is current for the visa application. Recipient's information. Next, write the details of the visa office. For example, Visa Officer. Irish Naturalisation and Immigration Service, INIS. Embassy of Ireland. 45 Embassy Road, Jakarta 12950, Indonesia. This section directs the letter to the appropriate authority reviewing the visa application. It makes the letter look professional and properly addressed. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. The subject line should clearly mention the purpose of the letter and the visitor's full name. Write: Subject, invitation letter for Ireland. Short stay visa, Visa C. Application for Sarah Johnson. This is important because it allows the visa officer to immediately understand what the letter is about. Salutation. Now write the formal greeting. Dear Visa Officer, this is the standard professional salutation for immigration and embassy correspondence. It keeps the tone respectful and appropriate. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by clearly stating the invitation. Include the visitor's full name, date of birth, passport number, full residential address, and exact travel dates. You can write, I am writing to formally invite Sarah Johnson, born on August 14, 1995, holder of passport number P12345678, residing at 22 Greenfield Avenue, Manchester, United Kingdom, to visit me in Ireland for a short stay from July 10, 2026, until July 25, 2026. It identifies the visitor and clearly defines the intended period of stay. Irish immigration authorities need this information to assess whether the visit falls within short-stay visa requirements. Host introduction. Next, introduce yourself. You should explain who you are, your legal status in Ireland, and your current occupation or educational status. For example, my name is John Murphy, and I currently reside at 12 Riverwalk Apartments, Cork City, County Cork. I am an Irish citizen currently employed as financial analyst at Emerald Finance Limited. Or if the host is a student, I am currently studying at University College Cork. This is important because it shows that the host is legally residing in Ireland and is in a stable position to invite a visitor. The visa officer must be satisfied that the invitation is legitimate. Purpose of the visit. Now explain why the visitor is coming to Ireland. For example, if the purpose of this visit is tourism and family visitation. You can say, during this visit, Sarah Johnson will stay with me at my residence located at 12 Riverwalk Apartments, Cork City, County Cork. This section is important because it clearly explains the reason for travel and accommodation arrangements. Irish visa officers want to know that the visitor has a clear travel purpose and proper accommodation during their stay. Relationship explanation. Next, explain your relationship with the visitor. This paragraph helps establish the credibility of the invitation. For example, our relationship is cousins, and we have maintained regular contact throughout the years. Or our relationship is close friends and we have known each other for 10 years. Or our relationship is husband and wife. The visa officer needs to understand the genuine connection between the host and the visitor. A clear explanation strengthens the application. Financial arrangements. This is one of the most important sections of the letter because it explains who will pay for the trip. There are 3 common options. Fully sponsored by host. If the host is paying for everything, write, "I will fully sponsor Sarah Johnson during her stay in Ireland, including accommodation, meals, local transportation, and all other living expenses. I have attached supporting financial documents, including my recent bank statements and proof of employment." This option is used when the host is financially responsible for the visitor. It is important because immigration officers must see proof that the visitor will have sufficient financial support. Visitor is self-funded. If the visitor is paying their own expenses, write, "Sarah Johnson will independently cover all travel, accommodation and personal expenses during the visit." Supporting financial evidence has been included in the visa application. This shows that the visitor has enough financial resources. It helps demonstrate financial independence. Partial sponsorship. If expenses are shared, write, "I will provide accommodation and local support during Sarah Johnson's stay, while she will personally cover her airfare, travel insurance and personal expenses." Supporting financial documents from both parties are included. This option clearly divides financial responsibilities. Being specific is very important because unclear financial arrangements can create doubt during visa assessment. Immigration compliance statement. Next, include a statement confirming that the visitor will follow Irish immigration rules. For example, "I confirm that Sarah Johnson will comply with all Irish immigration laws and will leave Ireland before the expiry of her permitted stay." It assures the visa officer that both the host and visitor understand the temporary nature of the visa. It shows respect for Irish immigration regulations. Request for consideration. Now politely request approval. For example, "I kindly request that you consider this visa application favorably. Should you require any further information or documentation, please feel free to contact me." It shows professionalism and willingness to cooperate. Closing. End the letter with "Yours faithfully," then leave space for a signature if the letter is printed. John Murphy. Attachments section. Finally, list all supporting documents. For example, attachments: copy of host's passport or Irish residence permit, proof of address in Ireland, employment letter or student status letter, recent bank statements, visitor's passport copy, travel itinerary if available. These documents support everything stated in the letter. Without supporting evidence, the invitation letter may not carry enough weight during visa assessment. Before submitting the letter, make sure all names, passport numbers, travel dates, and addresses exactly match the visitor's visa application documents. Check that the financial arrangement section matches the supporting bank statements and other evidence. Keep the letter clear, honest, and professional. Irish immigration officers carefully review consistency, so even small mistakes can cause delays. That's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial helps you understand exactly how to write an Ireland short-stay visa invitation letter the correct way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Practices, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future letter writing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.